I used to struggle with bad breath and sensitive gums. No matter what products I tried, nothing seemed to work. Then I discovered ProDentim, and everything changed. ProDentim isn't your ordinary dental product. It's a chewable tablet packed with 3.5 billion probiotics and natural ingredients that target the root cause of oral health issues, the imbalance of bacteria in your mouth. Using it is simple. After brushing your teeth in the morning, just chew one tablet. It's fast, effective, and fits perfectly into your routine. ProDentim's formula includes powerful ingredients. Inulin nourishes good bacteria, helping them thrive, while malic acid naturally whitens your teeth, and peppermint keeps your breath fresh all day. After just a few weeks, I noticed my gums were healthier, my teeth were visibly whiter, and my breath stayed fresh all day. Thousands of others are seeing similar results, like Sarah from Texas, who says, "ProDentim gave me back my confidence, my teeth are cleaner, my gums feel stronger, and my breath is fresher than ever." If you're ready to transform your smile, click the link in the description below and try ProDentim today. Don't wait. Your journey to a brighter, healthier smile starts now.